partnership with rising NBA star Ja Morant, the Nike Ja 2 Team Bank Blue and White is designed to handle the intensity of competitive basketball. It features a bold blue base complemented by crisp white accents, striking the perfect balance between on-court presence and off-court style. Built with advanced, lightweight materials, the shoe enhances speed and agility, ideal for Morant's explosive and fast-paced game. The breathable upper promotes airflow to keep feet cool and dry, even during intense action. Underfoot, responsive cushioning in the midsole absorbs impact and supports quick movements like pivots and jumps. A durable rubber outsole delivers reliable traction across various surfaces, reducing slippage and improving control. This model not only reflects Ja Morant's athletic edge but also embodies Nike's innovative approach to performance footwear, combining modern design, comfort, and elite-level functionality into one dynamic package.